Making a comment in Git is very simple. You just write your message, then you just push it. And that is what we are going to learn in the OverTheWire Bandit level 31. Let's access the documents directory. Let's edit the bandits.md file. Let's go to the end and copy the bandit31 password. Then let's exit, clear the screen. Let's access a temporary directory, mktemp-d, and let's enter. And we're inside. Let's use git clone ssh://bandit31-git at bandit.labs.overthewire.org:2022/home/bandit31/git/repo. And let's enter. Paste the password and enter again. And we have received some objects. Now let's clear the screen. Let's use ls, access the repo folder. Let's use ls again, and let's get the readme.md file. And it says that this time your task is to push a file, and let's read the details. The file name is key.txt. The content is may I come in with a question mark, and the branch is master. So let's do it. Let's use echo may I come in. Make sure that the text is the same as the content. Then let's pipe it inside the key.txt file as specified here, and then let's enter. Now that we have created the file, we can use ls, and we can see that there is a key.txt file. Let's use cat key.txt, and the content is right. Clear the screen, and now we can add the file to the version control. Let's use git add key.txt, and let's enter. It says that the following paths are ignored by one of your git ignores files, and here there is the key.txt, so it means that we can't add this file because it lives inside the .gitignore file. So let's use vim to edit the .gitignore file. Let's enter and remove this line, then save and quit, and let's try to add the key.txt file again. So git add key.txt, let's enter, and it seems that it worked. Now we can add the commit, git commit -m, and here you can add your message. For example, this is the key, and let's enter. Now we have created the checkpoint, and let's save it online. To do so, we can push everything to the online repository. So let's use git push, and it asks for the password. Just paste it. I missed the password 2 times because it seems like I have copied something else. Just copy the bandit31 password and paste it here, and it should work. It says well done. Here is the password for the next level. Just copy it and clear the screen. Access the documents directory and edit the bandits.md file. Go to the end and add the new user, bandit32. Paste the password and save and quit. Remember to check the description for the full documentation of the OverTheWire Bandit series. If the video was interesting, consider a like, a comment or a follow. See ya!